This is how to use Squibler's list view to manage your screenwriting progress. Select the list view from the top menu. This dashboard shows an overview of your screenplay progress. Click on the arrow besides the folder's name to view the files within it. Click on this icon to assign files or folders to each contributor if you're working as a team. Assign to an existing user or invite via email. Click on the calendar icon to add a due date to each file or folder. Select a due date from the calendar. Click on this icon to add a status for an act or scene of your screenplay. Select the status from the drop-down options. These include in progress, first draft, revised draft, done, and more. Targeted words, progress, and achieved words are automatically populated based on your daily and file goals and on how much you write. Click on the flag icon to set priority. Priority can be set as high or normal. You also have the option of labeling the files and folders using colors. Click on the label icon to do so. And this is how to use Squibler's list view to streamline your screenwriting process.